What's good? It's your boy and we back at it again. So we currently got a little contest or whatever going over on the community page to see which day videos are gonna drop. This video will drop Tuesday, well, Wednesday. This video should be dropping on a Wednesday. The running will go until Friday, and by Friday we should know the results of that, and then the next week we will start on that newfound schedule that you, the people, have voted for. I know that some people don't like it, or not don't like it, some people don't care. They're gonna watch whenever I drop, and I appreciate you, but for those that may need a little bit more time in between videos, or like, hey, I just need to know when the video is coming, then this is for y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is for y'all. So, yeah. All right, so let's get into this video. First of all, Whitfest, June 22nd, 2024. That means we got 5 months and some change. So we gotta get busy, man. Busy. The goal is to take Dolores. Dolores, if you haven't caught up on the channel, is my 1989 Chevrolet Caprice LS Brougham. You know what I'm saying? Named Dolores after my mother, who I lost last year. But we back on the grind, we regrouped, you know what I'm saying? And then we back to business, you know what I'm saying? We still doing a little bit of Harley stuff, but for the most part, we back to business on the car stuff, you know what I'm saying? So the goal is gonna be to get that photo ready to go to Whitfest. That's the goal. So it's not a whole lot that needs to happen for that. It's not a whole lot that needs to happen for that to happen. So all we gotta do is, and I say all we gotta do is like it's one or two things. Well, I mean, it's a couple things we need to do. Most of it is cosmetic. We got the Tiara grill. We got the pieces by Sandman. What else? We got the Dakota Digital we need to install. We still need to get vents and strikers. I'm not really worried about the AC lines, not to make it a Whitfest. Not really worried about the exhaust is done. I'm just looking over here at the list I got on the board. Console, I'm gonna see what I can make happen with that. Before I was gonna try to do it myself, but now because I want to do some kind of special, man, I'm gonna probably reach out to that boy Steve Davis, you know what I'm saying, have him do me something real nice for that, in memory of my mama. So, and the music. So I think that is probably the most direct and the easiest one that we can get ready by, game time. So give or take something that may or may not need to be added. Like I said, not worried about the AC lines. The exhaust has been completed. We do need to get the tune done. The third brake light is not gonna hold us up, but console not gonna hold us up either. But that is something that I wanted to let y'all know is gonna get done. So hopefully we have it done by the end. Like I said, the vents and the strikers, I don't know when we're gonna be able to get our hands on those, but they will not stop the show. It's really not a whole lot that gotta happen, you know what I'm saying, for us to make it with Dolores. So should be pretty simple. Should be, because we do be getting off track during the year. We be doing a whole bunch of other stuff, but man, for 2024, I'm trying to be as focused as possible. So, like I said, a week in between videos, once we decide which day that's gonna fall on, and we just gonna start going down the list. Like I said, Tierra, that's one video install. We got the pedals in there from Sandman. They already in the car, already installed. Like I said, exhaust is done, console not done. The music, like I said, that's not gonna stop the show. We could probably go ahead and get that hooked up, body in. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? That is pretty much it. So we're gonna stay on task. We're gonna get it done. As you can hear, if you can't hear, it's raining outside. So I'm finna get ready to declutter some stuff, man. That's the key word. I was telling my old lady, 2024, the word is declutter. I'm not taking nothing from nobody just because it's a good deal. If I don't actually need it, if I don't need it, I ain't taking that shit. Like, I'm not. We just got rid of the other air compressor that we had. So that's gone. That's gonna free up some room. So like I said, we got this engine to build. I got another engine over there in the corner to build. So we should have enough to keep us busy this year to where we don't need to go buying no more new cars, no new projects. Just, you know, finalizing and finishing things that we do have. Trying things, as you can see behind here, we done experimented and tinted the window on the C10. So, you know, it's little stuff that we can do around here that can keep us moving forward with content and not spending a whole lot of money. You know what I'm saying? We trying to save some money this year to take care of some, you know, stuff financial, but also just to finish these cars. So like I said, 5 months until Texas Whip Fest. Like I said, the list for that is not that in depth. So honestly, we should be able to finish that well before Whip Fest, especially being that we have everything that's on the list, like Dakota Digital, Tierra Grill, pedals by Sandman. We got like all this stuff we have. We just have to take the time and get it installed on the vehicle. But you know, we do everything pretty much ourselves. The only thing that we probably gonna outsource on this is that console by Steve. So y'all just keep watching, man. Keep watching, and yeah, we finna do this. We finna do this, boy. So to the next video, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all in the LSCR Nation, man. But your boy is back. Know what I'm saying? Video dropping once a week, whatever day it's gonna be. Know what I'm saying? Cause we need as much time as we need to be able to get stuff done. So we're gonna make it do what it do and get to it. So till next time, man. Always and forever remember, I ain't said this in so long. Oh, it feels so good, nigga. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.